Hi Scorpio, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 29th of August. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is the Six of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and the Star card. Person B here has the Emperor card, the Three of Wands, and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I have the Empress card, which means that either you or your person could currently be in this Empress energy, and that's a very strong energy, okay? Whoever is in that Empress energy is currently having the qualities of all the queens, okay? Now what I see from the first set of cards is you have Six of Pentacles, which means that there could be some kind of a sharing that may be going on. Maybe you're sharing your time, emotions, money with somebody else, and because of this situation that you are in, okay, either you will have to go ahead and walk away from one of them because you understand you can't continue like this. And the next card that I see for you is the Star card. So what I'm understanding is that one person with whom you're dealing is your wish fulfillment, and because you really have emotions for that person, you would like to walk away from the other situation that you are in. Now person B here has the Emperor energy, which is again major arcana. They will go ahead and lead that situation. Okay, with that Aries energy, they will lead this situation or this relationship and maybe move it to the next level. At some point in time, they will get stuck with the Three of Wands energy, but they will make sure that it eventually, reaches this Four of Wands energy, which is marriage commitment. Okay, so there may be a situation right now where things are not going correct. It's a little dicey for both of you, but this person will be able to lead this relationship and take it to that next level. Now let's also see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. The first card that I see is the Hierophant card, the Queen of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Now Hierophant is Taurus energy, and that's commitment, marriage. Okay, this person is looking for commitment and marriage, and they will have a very honest conversation with you regarding this. Now if they have that conversation, or if you initiate that conversation with them, please make sure that you don't hide any facts, because this person is in that energy that they will rip you off if they find that you are giving them BS. Okay, the other thing that I see is with the Page of Wands, this person also at times acts a little immature and goes towards things that are physically more appealing, but I think that's a very temporary energy that they will be in for some time. Now let's quickly also see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for both of you. So the message that I see is you and your loved ones are safe, which is new moon in Cancer. So don't worry, you and your loved ones are safe. You don't have to worry about it. Just make sure that if there's something that is going on, you take care of it. Have patience and ensure there is trust between the two of you. Now let's also quickly see what is the message from the archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Sugilite. The crystal message that I see is, are you experiencing repetitive thoughts or incessant mind chatter? Do you grab onto a thought, memory, or life experience and chew it over and over and over again? It is time to let go and release situations from your past, whether it was 5 minutes ago, 5 years ago, and find inner peace and true happiness. Now this card definitely says that you're just holding on to maybe something from the past. It's time to let go. Don't overthink it again and again. Just let go and move forward. Okay, now there's another message here from Archangel Uriel for you, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.